Rebound by Trinidad. Pass to the middle, pre-attack. Pinasa kay Villanueva, yes sir. Pass to the middle, to the baseline, attack, Sleaze. Umakyat, pasok yan by number 8. Here's Timbucay, long pass, fires, basket and one. Villanueva. Pass to the baseline, bounce pass, floater, yes sir. Welcome to Abra Intertown game versus San Quintin versus Bucay. First ball possession, San Quintin. Here is Garcia. Pass to the middle, number 2. And fires at 3. Bang! First block. Here is Timbucay. Long pass. Fires. Basket and one. Villanueva. Cantano. Pass to Navarroza for 3. Bang! 3 points, Navarroza. Passes to Trinidad, to Pre fires at 3. Bang! The answer, tie. Tano. Passes to Navarroza for 3. Won't go. Rebound Gabayni, long pass. Natapikan, stolen by Garcia. Garcia attacking the defense. Gabayni. Pre. For 3. Bang! Basket and one! Cantano. Pass to Garcia. Pass back to the middle. Cantano. Inside pass to the baseline. Attacks. Bump. Lost the handle. Stolen. And here's Trinidad in Harry. Lace left-handed. Yes, sir. Garcia. Screen by Peralta. And goes to the screen bounce pass. Bisquera. Pull-up jumper at the baseline. Bucket. Gonzalez setting the play. Number 13. Pass to Pre. Pre inside pass to Gabayni. He bumps, fires off the window, basket and one. Trinidad for Timbucay. Divina. Pass to Trinidad. Pass back inside to the middle. Floater. Pre with the finish. Cantano. Pass to Garcia. Garcia. Pass to Bisquera for 3. Won't go. Rebound Pre. Pre. Corner pass, open look for 3. Bang! 3 points. Cantano against Gonzalez. Bounce pass to the middle. Inside pass. Stolen by Pre. Pre the long pass. And Rosales. Yes sir. Easy to. And stolen. Gabayni. Bounce pass. Oop. Easy to Divina. Cantano. Pass to the middle. Peralta. Peralta corner pass for 3. Won't go. Rebound by Pre. Pre to the Trinidad. Lace. Trinidad. And here's Gonzalez. Long pass. Trinidad. Reverse layup. No good. Cantano. Garcia. Inside pass. Cantano too strong. The follow-up shot by Navarro. Gonzalez. High pass. Gabayni post up. Corner cross pass sa 3 Trinidad. Bang! Nothing but net. Garcia. Pass to the middle, to the baseline. Attack. Sleaze. Umakyat. Pasok yan by number 8. Bina. High pass. Stolen. And here's Cantano and Harry all alone to the hoop. CC2. Pass to Gonzalez to Gabayni. Gonzalez for 3. Bang! 3 points. Garcia. Pass to the baseline. Bounce pass. Floater. Yes, sir. Or. Pass to Pre. Fires at 3. Gonzalez. Short. A rebound by Trinidad. Pass to the middle. Pre. Attacking the defense. Pinasa kay Villanueva. Yes, sir. And here's Garcia. Pass back to Garcia. To the wings. Peralta. To Garcia. Fix. Goes to the screen. Is stolen by Trinidad. Trinidad. Sasalpak kaya? Easy bucket. That's Trinidad. Pre. Attacks. Corner. Floater. Yes, sir. Garcia. Pass back to Garcia. Deep 3. Bang! Garcia. Inside pass, Villanueva, easy to. That's the end of. And here's Claor against Garcia. Claor lost the handle, recover, reverse layup, Claor, and corner pass. 4-3, Claor, bang! Tulong 2. Bakit? Claor. Pass to Villanueva. Villanueva to the middle. Gabayni, floater shot. Yes, sir. Gabayni. To number 8 to Garcia. Garcia. Attack, side steps. Navarroza kicks out. Open look for 3. No good. Pass break ngayon. All alone. Claor. Lays easy 2. Here's number 8. The side step. Lays. Yes, sir. To the corner. High pass to the middle. Cantano fix. Side step. The floater. No good. Rebound. Peralta. Corner pass for 3. No good. Inside pass. Libre. Easy 2. Gabayni. Hook pass. And binitbit. Rejected. Cantano. Martinez. Cantano for 3. No good. Rebound Trinidad. He pass. Gonzalez. Bullseye. Gonzalez. High pass. Inside pass. Stolen. Gonzalez. Long pass. Lees. Divina. Bucket. And Garcia attacks the floater of the window. No good. Rebound Trinidad. Straight to the hoop. Short. Rebound reverse layup. Palma. Yes, sir. Garcia. Inside pass. Follow up shot. Alley-oop shot. Finish of Trinidad inbounding. Pass to Claor. Claor goes to the screen. To the middle. Perre. Corner pass. And here's bounce pass, corner, attacks Trinidad, Lays, too strong, recover, rebound, picks, hook shot, bucket, Trinidad, Garcia, Cantano, Martinez, Garcia for 3, bang, and here's Pre, left alone for 3, Pre, no good, rebound, attacks, Lays, Pre, Garcia stops. Cantano to the middle floater. Yes, sir. Stolen. Saison to the middle, the floater. Yes, sir. Navarroza. Garcia stops for 3. Bang! 3 points. Garcia. And Gabayni posting up. Kicks out. Gonzalez will attack. Freeze. Yes, sir. Claor, pull-up jumper, bullseye, Claor, kicks out, Garcia, goes to the screen, fires, yes sir, and here's Navarroza, stolen, Pre, stop, stolen, and here's Garcia, binitbit, Lays, yes sir, Garcia, let's for the backdoor inbound, bounce pass, Pikes fire, oh, basket and 1, Pre. Gabayni posting up. And fires, bucket. Harap-harapan. Rebound. And here's Trinidad. Trinidad straight to the hoops and 1. Gabayni against Navarroza, posting up. To the middle, floater, no good. Rebound Gonzalez to Claor, fix. Claor goes inside. Bounce pass, Gabayni, Lays, basket and 1. Gabayni stops. Gonzalez for 3. Bang! At the buzzer. Trinidad goes to the middle. Inside pass. Pass to Trinidad. Attacks, Lays, easy 2, Trinidad, Pre, pass to Trinidad, pass to Pre, pass inside, bump, Villanueva spins, rejected, He kicks out pre. Open look for 3. Bang! Pre! Here's Claor. Attacks. He passed to Villanueva. Hook shot. Rebound. Gone. Pass for 3. Bang! Dani! And here's sa gitna. Cantano. Bang! 3 points. Cantano. Pass break. Navarroza. Natapikan. Claor. Pull up jumper. Bullseye. Claor out. Open look. Villanueva. Bang! Dane. And for 3. Good. Long pass. Sakto yung paso. Claor. Yes, sir. And pass. Reverse layup. Yes, sir. And sakto ay Claor picks, spins, falling away. Bakit Claor? Stops pass, bump, plays easy 2. Navarroza for 3. Bang! 3 points Navarroza. Inside pass, pass back. Inside, pinasa pa. Ang gandang pasa. Peralta for 3. Bang! Perlas. Open look for 3. Navarroza for 3. Bang! Navarroza. Stolen. Liz, yes sir. And the stolen, the high pass. Liz, yes sir. Congratulations, Bukay.